Welcome to Activity 70. In this activity, we're going to be developing the strategy of taking away 11 for wholes that are team numbers. Here I have the whole of 15. First, we are going to take away a part of 10. 15 take away 10 would give me 5. We are then going to take away one more to take away 11. So 15 take away 11 equals 4. To complete this activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. When we subtract, it's whole, take away part equals part. The numbers on the spinner are the whole, and we are going to take away 11, and this will leave us with the part that is our answer. Player 1 goes first. They spin a whole of 16. The blocks that represent the whole are placed above the line. We are then going to take away 11 by first taking away 10, and I say 16 take away 10 equals 6. I then take away one more and I say 16 take away 11 equals 5. And this will be one less. I record 16 take away 11 equals 5. If I need to check, I can place a block there. That is the answer. Player 1 goes first, and they spin a whole of 17. We mark the whole above the line. Next, I need to take away the part of 11. When I take away, I move this way on the number line. First, I'm going to take away 10. 17 take away 10 equals 7. I then take away one more, so as I have taken away 11, and I say, 17 take away 11 equals 6, and I record this. 17 take away 11 equals 6. Player 2 has their turn, and I'm going to model them spinning a whole of 14. First, they mark above the line the whole of 14. Then we take away a part of 10, which brings us to 4. We say 14 take away 10 equals 4. So 14 take away 11 equals 3. If we need to, we can check. And I record 14 take away 11 equals 3. The aim is to make the smallest or least answer in each round, so player 2 is the winner this time. Now it's